Ocean Pacific Marine operates a full-service boatyard and marine store here in Campbell River. We repair boats and, of course, sell retail products to our local and recreational and commercial boating community. About 14 years ago, we moved to this facility, which has escalated our growth quite rapidly. And so we met SAP, we met the team, and very quickly it became a front runner in our various options.
The SAP program really seems to fit the bill for what our needs are. We're doing a lot of operations at once, and in this system, that's going to be much improved, and it's going to give us the ability to see on a daily basis, on a weekly and monthly basis, how we're doing in any given particular project.
We're seeing in the SAP system is going to allow us to incorporate all of those supplementary processes into one system. Forgestik has been fantastic to work with. They were very quickly able to adapt their sales model to our business. We have continued to be happy with them as we've proceeded through the process of building our version of the SAP program and specifying it to our company.
I guess our goals are to become more integrated into the marine industry.
SAP Business One was absolutely required for us to succeed moving forward. It is going to allow us to streamline many of our business processes and allow us to grow more in the future.